Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I will teach you how you can install a WordPress on your local computers. So let's get started. First, you need to download the software to install on your WordPress on your website. So let's search for LocalWP. The LocalWP is developed by WP Engine teams, which you can install a WordPress on your local computers. So now click on download button and select a platform. So which platform do you use? For mine is I use Mac Intel. So just select it and fill out your name, your last name, work email and or phone numbers. After you fill out all of this information, just click on get it out. But I already have downloaded, so I just skip it for now. After you have downloaded, go to check on your download folder. So I'll go here to find and download and find out the local. So I'm running on Macs. Just click on install and the installation will be processed. It may differ from your computer if you are using PCs, but it's really simple to get started installing this software. After you have installed, just open the applications. So I had opened it, and after you have opened the software, you need to create an account to use this software. So just click on create button. Alright, you also have an option to create your account using Google account or GitHub account. So if you already have an account with local, just click on login button. So I already have my account, so I need to click on login and choose Google. Right, and I connect my Google account with the local WP. Okay, after you have connected your account, so there is an option you can click on open local, and the local software on your computer will be opening up. Okay, click on open local. Alright, so everything is setting up, and it asks us to enable all the error reports. So I just turn it on, an error report. Okay, it's time to create a local WordPress website on your PC or your Mac. So to create a WordPress website on your local computer, you need to click on create a new site and click on create a new site here and click on continue button. Now it's time to input your local website name, so I just use test for my website name right now and click on continue, and then click on just select for preferred and click on continue. Now you need to enter your WordPress usernames and password. So I just input my username and my password. Okay, after you're done, click add site, and the WordPress will be automatically installed on your local computer. Just wait for it setting up your WordPress on your local. For Mac, they ask to enter the password on my computer, so I just enter and click on OK. But I think on PC it will not require a password. Okay, now it's downloading the WordPress and install on your local PCs. So all you have to do is just wait to the process complete. Okay, now the WordPress installation is complete, and we can now open up outside to have a look how it looks. Alright, here's our local test.local, and you can see now the WordPress website installed on your local computer, which you can work on. So let's get back to our software, local.pcs, and you also can log into your website to see the WordPress dashboard. Just enter your username that you have added and the passwords. So I'm just trying to log in and see the dashboard of my local website. Okay, now it worked perfectly. Your website is running up, and all you need to do, you can change themes, install plugin, write content, and do your stuff on your local WordPress website. I hope this video is help you, and thanks for watching. And if this video is helpful for you, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for my channel to get more useful video like this in the future. Thank you for watching.